Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will be showing you how to make this top. And first thing, take the measurement of your waist, then determine the height that you want for your top. I'll be crocheting a waist size of 28 inches and let's get started. So I'll be using this color of yarn to make the top, and I'll be using a 3.5mm hook. I've made a skirt for this top, so the link is on my description box. So if you want to make a skirt for this top, you can just go to the description box and click that link over there. To make this top, we start by making the lower part of this top, and we'll be using a ribbed pattern to make the lower part of the top. So we'll begin by making a slip knot as usual. Then after that, make a slip knot. Then after that, insert the hook on that big loop over there. Tighten the loop. After that, chain 10 stitches. So I'll meet you after chaining the 10 stitches. Chaining 10 stitches, chain one more stitch. Then after that, you'll be using single crochets and place a single crochet onto the next 10 stitches. I've completed making a row of single crochet, so after that I'll chain one and turn my work around. We'll be working on the back loops of the previous stitches, so don't skip a stitch or starting a new row. We'll be placing a single crochet on the back loops of the previous stitches, so just place a single crochet onto the next 10 stitches, and remember we'll be placing them onto the back loops of the previous stitches. So repeat this until you achieve your waist measurement, and remember to stretch your piece so that you can find out if you have achieved your waist measurement. I've completed making the lower part of this top, so you are going to take the measurement of this piece. This is what I meant by stretching it out. This is not my exact top that I'm making. It's just a sample that I'm using to guide you on how to make this top. So this is not my exact measurement. So let's take the measurement of this piece. Let's fold it. So this piece is at 7 inches, but if you stretch it out, so let me stretch it out, and if you stretch it out, it can accumulate up to 9 inches. So that is what I meant by stretching out. For example, if your waist measurement, if you crochet the piece and the piece is at 12 inches, but if you stretch it out, it can reach your waist measurement. You should leave at that point making the lower part of this top and go to the second part of making the body of this top. So I've completed making the lower part of the top. We are going to go to the next point where it's making the body of this top. After completely making the lower piece of this top, we'll join the ends of this piece together, and we'll be using single crochet to join the piece. So insert the hook onto this stitch on this side, then again insert the hook onto the stitch on the other side. After that, pull through the yarn, then chain one. We'll insert the hook onto this stitch, then again insert the hook onto the other stitch. After that, yarn over, then make a single crochet. So just repeat joining the piece, then after that I'll be here to show you what to do next. Completed joining the piece, so after that we'll chain one and turn our work around. Ensure this point it's at the wrong side of this top. So we are going to chain one, then turn your work around. Remember to place a single crochet in each and every row. So we'll be placing a single crochet at the end of each and every row. So I'm going to place my first single crochet onto that stitch over here. Then again I'll be placing a single crochet onto the next stitch. So Then I'll place a single crochet onto the next stitch, then again onto the next stitch. So just repeat placing a single crochet in each and every stitch. Then after that, I'll be there to show you what to do next. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm almost completing making the first row of this top. I'm just going to place a single crochet onto this stitch over here. Then after that, I'm just going to slip stitch on top of this stitch over there. Then after that, we'll be making a bean stitch pattern. So to make the bean stitch, you just chain one, skip the next stitch, then onto the next single crochet, insert the hook, pull through the yarn. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Then after that, yarn over and insert the hook again, pull through the yarn to have 4 loops on your hook. Then after that, yarn over all the 4 loops at the same time. After that, chain one, skip the next stitch, then onto the next stitch, insert the hook, pull through the yarn. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over, insert the hook, pull through the yarn to have 4 loops on your hook. Then after that, you are going to yarn over all the 4 loops at the same time. So ensure that the loops that you are making, they are a bit loose so that it can't be difficult for you while making this top. So again, chain one, skip the next stitch, then onto the next stitch, insert the hook, pull through the yarn, then yarn over, then again insert the hook, pull through the yarn to have 4 loops on your hook. Then after that, you are going to yarn over all the 4 loops at the same time. Keep repeating the pattern, and I'll meet you on this part to show you what to do next. I've completed making my first row of bean stitch, and remember, for this pattern we'll not be turning our work around, so this means that you'll be working on in a spiral manner. So when you reach at this back part of the top, you'll just be making a continuation of rows. So after completing this first row, I'll just chain one, then place a bean stitch onto the next stitch. So my next stitch is on this stitch over here. I'll be making a bean stitch on it. Then after that, I'm going to chain one, then place a bean stitch onto the next stitch. Remember, here there are 2 stitches, but we'll be working on this first stitch over here. So make a bean stitch onto that stitch. Then after that, chain one. Also on this stitch over here, we'll be working on the first stitch over there. So make a bean stitch onto that stitch, then again make a bean stitch onto the second stitch, onto the first stitch. So keep on repeating the pattern, and remember, we'll not be turning our work around, nor we will be slip stitching at the end of the row to join the rows. We'll be working in a spiral form. So keep on going while going around this top until you reach the height that you desire for the top. And remember, we'll be working on this first stitch over here to make the bean stitch. So make a bean stitch onto that stitch. So keep on repeating the pattern until you achieve the height that you desire. Then after that, I'll be there to show you what to do next. This is the top that I'm making. I've not completed making the whole top. So this is after achieving the height that I wanted for the top. I'll be guiding you on how to make the strap. After achieving the height that you wanted for the top, you just slip stitch onto any stitch. Then after that, chain one and cut off the yarn. Then after that, tighten the yarn. So I'll be guiding you on how to make the strap for this top. I've made one of the strap, but I'll be showing you to make the strap on the other side. So this is how my top looks. To make the strap, ensure that you align your top well. Then take your measurement, take your measuring tape and take some measurement over here. So from this point to this point, it should be 2 inches. So just place your stitch mark on on the 2 inches over here. Then also take the measurement on the other side, which should be 2 inches from this point up to this point. So if you have your stitch mark, you should place your stitch mark over there, but I don't have a stitch mark, so I'm just going to put through the yarn over here. Then after that, I'm just going to insert the hook, then attach the yarn on that point over there. So let me attach the yarn, then after that I'm coming back to show you what to do next. After attaching the yarn, these are my 2 inches that I've taken the measurement. We'll be working towards this side. So what you'll be doing, just attach your yarn, then after that pull through the yarn and chain one. We'll be making 5 single crochets. So this is my first single crochet over here. Then I'll make a second single crochet onto this first stitch over here. So those are 2 single crochets. Then after that I'll be making another single crochet onto this stitch over here. So those are 3 single crochet. This is my fourth single crochet, then this is my fifth single crochet. Then after that I'm just going to chain one and turn my work around. We'll be working on the single crochets that we have made, and we'll be working onto them on the back loops of the previous stitches. So just place a single crochet on the back loop of the previous stitch. So keep on repeating the pattern. Onto the last stitch over here, I'm just going to place a single crochet on its back loop. So that is the back loop over there, and I'm going to place a single crochet. Then after that, chain one and turn your work around. We'll be working, so don't skip the first stitch, just place a single crochet onto that first stitch over there. Then after that, place a single crochet in each and every stitch until you complete this row. So there are a total of 5 stitches, and ensure that you place a single crochet in each and every stitch. Then after that, chain one, turn your work around, then don't skip any stitch, place single crochet on the back loops of the previous stitch. So repeat this until you achieve the length that you want for your strap. And remember, the strap, it's a bit stretchy, so don't make a very big strap, because it will be a bit loose. Completed attaching the strap on top of this top. So after that, we'll be attaching the strap on the back side of this top. So what you are going to do, you just turn the top, you just turn the top at its back. So then after that, we'll be joining the strap on the back part of this. Completed attaching the strap on the top or on the front part of this top. So after that, we'll be attaching the strap on the back side of this top. So what you are going to do, you just turn the top around. Then after that, you find the opposite side of this strap, and here it's the opposite side of the strap. We'll be joining using single crochet. So let me complete this row. Let's take the measurement to ensure that it's about 2 inches. So here it's where I should join the top, at this point over here. Place a single crochet, then after that turn your work around. Remember, you'll be inserting the hook onto the 2 stitches on the strap and on the back side of this top. So continue attaching the strap onto the back side of this top, and repeat the same for the other side. Then after that, I'll be showing you how to attach the drawstrings on the front part of this top. Then after that, cut off the yarn and fasten off. You just repeat the same on the other side. Then after that, I'll be here to show you how to attach the strap. I've completed making the strap onto the both sides. So after that, you make a longer chain and we'll be attaching it on the front part of this top. So this is how we'll be attaching this strap on the front part of this top. So ensure you are attaching this strap on the middle part of the front part of this top. So I'm a bit sleepy. Recording this clip at night, so I think it's about 11:30. It's about 11:30 p.m. So I'm a bit sleepy. So if you don't understand, you can just ask the question on the comment section. So just insert the hook, put through the yarn. The hook should assist you to put through this strap through the top. Then after that, we'll be inserting the hook on this wrong side of the top. Then again, put through the strap on the other side. Again, we insert the hook onto the other side. So just keep on repeating what I'm doing. So this is a bit simple. Keep on repeating. You're almost done. You're almost done with the tutorial. Keep on repeating until you reach on the lower side of the top. So this is how my top looks after attaching the strap. Again, we'll be attaching the same strap on the middle part of this top again. So you just insert the hook, then just put through the strap like that. So just repeat the same pattern that you have used on the other side. So attaching this strap, I don't think you have a pattern. It's just you insert the hook and ensure that it's at the middle part of this top. So it's just simple like that. I don't think there is any need to explain this, because also I think this is explaining the unexplainables. Keep on, you're almost done. Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can motivate me to keep on going and to keep on posting more tutorials. Oh, I'm tired. And this is how the top finally looks. I really love it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.